Yagni benta jonga kubor la OneRaj P daga fatafat online shopping store.
Hadian bu ba el hek ula de penchai bu menteri rang ba kajala megalaya ukadat ke sangma ba kates ke jong u galong negative hagani hi ka ju kajan med menteri rang ba benrap ka sarkar jalla ba prestun tinsong ula pente ba hadian bu kondat kongkal sangma ula wan phai na manipur la le no ikates hinden hi ka sngi ka arpu atrik ujliu bar ha ka porjan med la yo ik report ba kates jong u galong negative.
See, the protocol, in fact, has been issued dated 2nd June 2020 by Health and Family Welfare Department. So one of the criteria or one of the points which was issued by the Health Department at point number 4, it says persons working for COVID-19 management and other urgent government duties visiting other states on duty would also be tested with RT-PCR, and if tested negative, they will be allowed to proceed to work. They will be allowed to proceed to work while taking all due necessary precautions.
Okay.
That is very clear. So that is the notification issued, protocols order issued by Health Department 2nd June 2020.
Which means that CM doesn't need to go for 14 days mandatory.
No, but RT-PCR is mandatory. As per this protocols, RT-PCR test has to be done. Whether you went for 1 day or 1 night or whatever, but this has been done over there.
We have the results of the samples of CM.
Sorry?
Results out.
Yeah, out.
It's negative.
Result was out, negative.
Okay.
Yesterday only, result was out. See, like ourselves, if we have to go to Delhi for meeting,
Yes.
so like CM, myself, or ministers, or chief secretary, or principal secretary, commissioners, I try to say that we will not be able to walk. Then what will happen to the administration? The state administration will get affected. That's why, thinking of all these issues in mind, then Health Department has issued these specific protocols for the officials, and the government machinery. Whenever they go, it is mandatory that they should go for RT-PCR. RT-PCR is mandatory, and once it is negative, they can join back to the work.
Lawat pingan mau bo menteri rang ba kajala megalaya ukondat ke sang mau lale Manipur baru konvina Kaneda uhimanta Baswa Sarma mena kasngi ublai na kabentawan pinbe ya kajilong jingman jong kasan perthai ha kani kajala.